Hi again. It's a fantastic day to be with you again. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, 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 and bienvenido. So I was thinking during my absence here on YouTube, what could I possibly bring to you that would be beneficial? So I'm coming up with a series. It's going to be called Bermuda Grass Basics. It's basically going to be for beginners or somebody that needs a refresher. The backstage, or I should say the front stage, will be my front lawn. It's 12 years old. It's had its days. We're going to see if we can get it to look good as the backyard. So join me. If you look at this picture, this is a 12-year-old oleander tree and some oversized bushes. If you've grown Bermuda grass before, you already know it's a dominating turf. But it becomes a big sissy when it has to go up against the shade. So one of the things that you can do is raise the canopy of your trees and thin it out. And don't forget to trim your bush. One of the things that I noticed since I did not overseed the front yard this past fall is that my soil was more compacted. So I'll be aerating. This will do two things: allow more water, nutrients, and oxygen down to the soil. Also, it would allow the ground to warm up faster in a limited light situation. If you have a much larger lawn, you can rent an aerator. I checked my local Home Depot. They're charging $71 for 4 hours and $101 for the whole day. And then my local equipment rental charges $59 for 4 hours and $84 for the whole day. If you have a neighbor that wants their lawn done, you can split the bill. Manual aerators will cost you approximately around $35 to $45, and you get to keep it, but you'll have to do all the work. If you've seen my videos before, I'm quite fond of using ammonium sulfate. It does extremely well in our high pH soils here in the desert because it contains sulfur. It's a great source of nitrogen, which Bermuda grass absolutely loves. This is a quick release fertilizer. The only times I use it is when I need to push top growth so the Bermuda grass can fill in areas where it's bare or weakened. I'm also using it to push my little plugs that I planted last season. Ammonium sulfate is a good fertilizer during the transition period if you have overseeded this past fall. If you have a good stand of turf, you can skip this step and just resume a balanced fertilizer according to your soil test results. One of the more popular fertilizers used out here in the desert is Turf Royale. It has an analysis of 21,714. If you're having trouble finding Turf Royale, another place you can look for is Walmart and Home Depot. And they sell 4 Seasons fertilizer. I hope this video has helped a lot. If you want me to cover a particular topic, message me down below and I try to answer them as fast as I can. And I want to thank you, and we'll catch you on the next one. This is Francis with Nice Easy Lawn.